So, sitting on my bike right now, my lovely steed, I have $75 pedals. These are the titanium Corki cycle pedals, and you know, I wanted to make a video showing why these really are $75, because I think that's sort of important, and I think everybody should know. So, let's get into the video. I first want to mention that this isn't like stupidly expensive for a pair of pedals, especially because these pedals are titanium. And if you didn't know already, titanium is actually just overall better material to have on your bike. The thing about titanium though is it's one of the hardest to work with. To explain it as quick as possible, titanium is very hard to shape, so you need special tools which cost a lot of money. And still, the company needs to make quite a bit of profit to keep producing titanium pedals and also to pay the bills. Titanium is a lighter option than aluminum. However, though, carbon fiber is lighter than titanium. But the problem with carbon fiber is that it's less dense. So in other words, the more you shave material off, the lighter it's going to be. But then it makes it weaker, right? Yes. So you have to find a good strength to weight ratio, which the Corki Cycle titanium pedals definitely have. Alright, it's time to go for a ride to see how these titanium pedals perform out on the trails. We're riding on the edge of the cliff. This is a gnarly climb. Let's stand back. I'm going to assert my dominance here first. Here we go. Oh, this is nerve-wracking. Ish. You want to go first?
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
I know there's like a really good line and a really, like there's two lines and one's really good and one's really good.
I don't know what I'm doing, so.
Yeah, I've ridden this one. Oh, I'm not doing that.
Oh my god, dude. Hey. Oh. Really, just the top thing I noticed with these pedals is that the bearings are amazing because they never slow down and are solid, super nice material. Also, that the grip on these pedals are great. Not once did my foot slip off the pedal. I would 100% recommend these Corki Cycle titanium pedals, so if you haven't bought them already, I'll link them in the description so you can buy them straight away.
Wow, where'd you get those pedals?
These?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, these are some Corki pedals.
Yeah, Corki.
Yeah, they're a brand my son's into, and they sent us a couple of pair to check out. And these are the aluminum ones, man, and they're sick.
You like them, huh?
Yeah, they've been a fantastic upgrade from my race face Chester.
Are they lunch loop certified?
Dude, they're lunch loop certified. Look at my shins, clean.
Nice.